Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. Another very nice move. First thing, before anything else, a little house cleaning, going to go ahead and just get rid of that line. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 267 was an area of resistance going into today, but this morning with the gap up and then the price broke through there, you can see that was kind of the floodgates that opened back up, and from that point the price made a very nice move. So going forward, 267 is going to be that ideal level, meaning if the price can stay above there, that would definitely be a huge sign of power. With that being said, if the price falls below it, it's not like the entire chart's destroyed or anything like that. Taking a step back and looking at all this from more so the bigger picture point of view, though, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 267 would be great, but as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance? As far as the sellers are at right now, pretty straightforward. Right up around that 283 mark is the main point of price congestion. I realize the price did get slightly up above there. But like I said, the main area where it kept getting rejected was right around 283. So we'll see what happens with it going forward. But as long as the price continues to chip away and build those higher lows like it's been doing, then yeah, just sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.